All right, content creators, what if I told you there's an AI that watches your entire long-form video for you, finds the best moments, and turns them into shorts? Yep, meet Opus Clips. Opus Clips is supposed to do in 3 minutes what would take me 3 hours, and honestly, it kind of blew me away. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. If you're a content creator, chances are you've got hours of great content sitting in your long-form videos. Podcasts, interviews, webinars, tutorials. But here's the problem. No one is scrolling through hour-long YouTube videos on TikTok or Instagram. That's where Opus Clips comes in. This AI-powered tool promises to save you hours of manual editing by automatically finding and clipping the most viral-worthy moments from your videos. In this review, I'll break down how Opus Clip works, what makes it awesome, and where it could use some improvement, all from a creator's perspective. So what is Opus Clips? Opus Clips is an AI video repurposing tool designed to transform long-form content into viral short-form clips. It uses artificial intelligence trained on social media performance data to identify engaging moments, edit them for short-form viewing, and then export them in vertical formats, ready for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Perfect for creators, coaches, educators, marketers, and podcasters looking to expand their reach without doubling their workload. So how does Opus Clips work? Using Opus Clips is surprisingly easy. Here's a quick step-by-step. Upload your video or paste a YouTube link. The AI scans the entire video for emotional expressions, hook-worthy moments, key quotes, contextual relevance, and then presents you with ready-to-go short clips that include auto-generated captions, highlighted keywords, a viral score, it has suggested titles, and speaker detection and smart zoom cuts. From there, you can tweak the captions, trim the clip, and export it in the right aspect ratio for social media. So what do I love about Opus Clips? Using Opus Clips for the past few weeks, I found some standout benefits. It's time-saving. It turns hours of raw footage into polished shorts in minutes. It has smart AI selection. It finds high emotion or quotable moments, even some I completely overlooked. It has clean auto captions. The built-in captions are sharp, modern, and customizable. There's viral insight. The viral score helps you focus on the clips with the best potential. It's great for batching. You can upload a single video and walk away with 10 to 15 clips. If you're consistently producing long-form content and want to expand to shorts and reels, this is a huge shortcut. What could be better? No tool is perfect, and Opus Clips is still evolving. Here are a few areas I think could be improved. Random clip packs. Occasionally, the AI selects clips that feel out of context or too short to make an impact. It has limited customization. You can't fully adjust elements like font placement, brand color, or add custom intros or outros natively. There could be contextual confusion. For some narrative or complex content, it might miss the bigger picture without human guidance. So who should use Opus Clips? This tool is ideal for YouTubers repurposing full-length videos, great for podcasters and interviewers wanting to share clips, course creators or coaches with recorded content, agencies creating content for clients, anyone who's camera shy but talking a lot on long-form videos. Now, if you're aiming for consistent multi-platform posting without burning out, this tool can be a game changer. So final thoughts, is it worth it? For content creators looking to work smarter, not harder, Opus Clips is one of the best tools that I've come across for fast, AI-powered video editing. Is it perfect? No. But does it drastically cut down editing time and get the job done well enough for social media success? Absolutely. My verdict, Opus Clips is a must-try for modern content creators.